Let's start with one simple fact. Your job servicing business needs a social media presence in order to grow. So in today's video, I will be sharing 4 steps to grow job servicing business on social media. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Social media is more than just a trend. It is an essential piece of your job servicing business marketing strategy. It provides immense potential because users habitually log on to it daily and are exposed to companies. If you are new to job servicing or you are struggling to grow your business, then you will find today's video very helpful because I will walk you through 4 steps on how to build a job servicing brand on social media. I will also be sharing some important tips along the way, so make sure that you watch this video till the end. Step 1. Choose the right social media platform. To do this, you need to first know who your target audience are and which social media platforms they usually hang out. For an example, if my target audience are the small business owners and the main platform they use is TikTok, then you can choose to focus on TikTok first. Recently, I see so many online sellers utilizing TikTok to get customers, and that's when I realized that this platform is going to be a new and powerful lead generation tool. Here are 2 examples I have. One is a social media manager and another one is a website designer. Both have direct interest from potential clients on their post comments. Step 2. Optimize your social media pages by fully completing your profile. This may seem to be a very simple step, but unfortunately, there are many businesses online that don't properly optimize their profiles. An unoptimized social media profile fails to drive traffic. One tip for you is to place your target keywords in your bios and descriptions of all the social media profiles. Step number 3. Create content with your audience in mind. Understanding your audience is critical when it comes to growing your job servicing brand on social media. This is because the interests and needs of your audience will determine the type of content you should share and the way you engage with your followers. Here are 10 types of content ideas that you can post on your social media. Number 1, quick tips and advice. Number 2, post about your services. Number 3, clients' reviews or testimonials. Number 4, holiday greetings. Number 5, motivational quotes. Since our audiences are mostly business owners, some inspirational posts can create some good engagements. Number 6 is post an answer to a commonly asked question. Number 7, news related to your service. For example, if you are job servicing e-commerce website design and there's an update on the website platform like Shopify, then you can create a simple post on this news to bring attention to your audience. Your audience will be very grateful and they will trust you more. Number 8, share links to free resources. Number 9, promotional campaign posts. Bear in mind to apply the 80-20 rule and keep promotional content to only 20%. 80% of your content is to educate your audience and 20% is to promote your brand. We do not want your brand to sound too salesy because this will drive away your audience. Number 10, share a case study on one of your clients. For example, you managed to help your client grow their social media account by 10 times after implementing the Instagram strategy plan you have done for them. One important tip that you need to remember is to create shareable content because your audience feel compelled to share the piece of content, and this will help your brand's exposure greatly. Create content is an important asset. It has the ability to create positive experiences for your potential clients and compel them to come back for more. It's your ticket to grow your job servicing brand and turning your followers to paying clients organically. When you create value without taking anything in return, your audience is more likely to trust you and your brand. Step number 4, create a social media plan and be consistent. Sharing great content is essential, of course, but it's equally important to have a plan in place for when you share content to get the maximum impact. For this, you will need to have a regular posting schedule, which we call it the social media content calendar. This is a great tool to ensure you post consistently. Your social media content calendar lists the dates and times at which you will publish types of content on each channel. It's the perfect place to plan all of your social media activities, which includes both your day-to-day posting and content for your social media campaigns. By completing these 4 steps and by utilizing your existing network, you'll see more traffic on your social media pages. Just remember, organic social media takes time, but with a persistent and consistent social strategy, your small business social media will grow. A shout out to my subscriber Rahul for contributing your question for today's topic. Please continue to ask any job servicing questions down in the comments section below, and I will try to talk about it in my future videos. If you're keen to learn how to build a profitable job servicing business from scratch, I have more tutorials over here, so make sure you check them out. And I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!